Today we're going to be making a Hanukkah menorah. Now I understand that not everyone celebrates Hanukkah, and if you want to do the same craft and you don't celebrate Hanukkah, you can adapt it and make it into something that you want to make. But for those of you who do celebrate Hanukkah, I thought you might like to make a Hanukkah Suncatcher, and that's what we're going to do today. So I will start by saying today's craft is a little messy. We will use glue and or paper cement. I'm going to be using paper cement today, but you can use white school glue also. But we're going to, just because I have it close, we're going to use paper cement today. So to protect your clothing, you might want to put on an apron or wear old clothes to do this project. What you'll need is some white glue, white school glue, or paper cement, rubber cement. You'll also, what I'm going to use is I'm going to use blue paper for my candles, tissue paper. I'm going to use orange tissue paper for the flame of the candle, and I'm going to use white tissue paper for the base of my menorah. So the part that holds the candles, the menorah part, is going to be white. Also, we'll be using wax paper. We're going to do this on wax paper, and I don't want my wax paper to slip as I'm trying to work on it. So what I did is I took some pieces of tape and I taped down each of my four corners that will hold my paper in place while we work. Now, this menorah Suncatcher is going to be very abstract. We're not going to use scissors because this is tissue paper, and you want wax paper and tissue paper because they're papers that let the sun or let light through, and that's what we want for this. If you use construction paper, it might not, depending on what kind of construction paper you use, it might not let light through. So if you were to place this in a window, it might just sort of look silhouette. And that's not the what we're wanting to achieve with this. We're wanting a Suncatcher. We were wanting the light to pass through. So wax paper will ensure that the light will pass through. So the wax paper is our base paper, and then we will be putting our other papers, gluing our other papers on. So what you'll want to do, for those of you that understand, of course, a Hanukkah menorah is a little different than a normal menorah. Hanukkah menorah has 8 branches. So typically there are 4 branches on either side with one larger candle. Of course, I've seen all different kind of menorahs, but typically the largest candle is in the middle, and then there are 4 smaller candles on either side. So we will just start by tearing off 9 pieces of paper to be about the size of our candles. And now there will be a straight edge on this one, but the majority will not have straight edges because we're tearing our paper. And we'll need to tear off 9 flames for our candles. And we will need to tear our menorah base. So I'm going to take a little time to tear this off, and I will see you in just a few moments. All right, so I have tore from the tissue paper all of my flames, all of my candles, and my menorah base. So what I will want to do now is to put my paper cement onto the wax paper. And I have a brush, and I'm just going to brush it on, and I will brush it on somewhat liberally, meaning that I'm going to really cover this piece of wax paper in the rubber or paper cement. Different people call it different things. You know, it's very relaxing just brushing this on. The creative process, we're creating today, we're making art. Creative process can be very relaxing. A lot of people find great pleasure in creating, and they find great pleasure in sharing what they've created with other people. It's good that we can each share our experiences and our creations with other people, because we make a lot of crafts. Of course, it doesn't, not just crafts that we create. We can create music. We can write music. We can write plays. We can write stories, poems, so many different things. And all those things can be very relaxing as people create. So we're done with that. I'm going to start by putting my menorah base onto the wax paper. And I'm going to put it about here. Be careful not to get the cement on me, but I do want to make sure that base adheres to the wax paper. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with my center candle, and I'm going to guess at about where the center is, and I think this is about the center. And again, remember, this is abstract. This isn't exact. So if it bubbles or it moves a little bit or it leans, that's okay. This is art. Just be creative and relax and enjoy and have fun. Now, sometimes for me and for others, it's hard to sort of estimate. Like if you start it at the right and worked your way to the left, or you started at the left and worked your way to the right, it might be hard to balance your candles. So what I am going to do, I start it, of course, with the center candle, but then I'm going to start with the one on my far right, and put it next. Then I'm going to put the one on the far left next. And that will give me a way to better judge how to put the other candles in. And if it's not exactly, that's perfect. That's fine. This is abstract. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put this candle in next. And I'm going to do the same on this side. The main thing is to create and have fun and enjoy. Then I'm going to put the one in closest to the center candle. I'm going to do the same here. And then finally, I'll put that one in. I'll put this one in. Oh, look at that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and a center branch. Okay? So next we need to add the flame of our candles on our menorah. So I'm going to start with the center. And I just want to try and see if I can. You could put these flames in their proper order, or you could do them any way you'd like. I'm going to see if I can do 2 at one time. This is your creation. You have fun with it. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's see if I can do 2 more at a time. That takes a little more concentration, doesn't it? Oh, yeah, maybe I can't at the moment. We'll put that one in. And let's see. We'll put this one in. Oh, wonderful. Put that there. And that one there. Look at that. It's a big flame for a little candle, isn't it? I'll put that flame there. And this orange piece of tissue paper that represents our flame. And we have a Hanukkah menorah suncatcher. Now we will need to give this a little time to dry, because remember I put rubber cement or paper cement all over my wax paper. So we will give it a little time to dry, and then we could go back and trim down the edges with scissors, and then we could take it and place it in our window, and it was when the light of the sun comes through, it will light our menorah, and it'll be so pretty. I've enjoyed making this Hanukkah menorah with you today. I hope that you and your special adult will make some sort of suncatcher craft today or in the upcoming days. I hope you will do that. And if you celebrate Hanukkah, I hope you'll take a little time to make a Hanukkah menorah suncatcher. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and click the alerts for future videos. Join me at chuckhartman.com.